know, look, most people in the world are born with brown hair. They either like their brown, they want it lighter with no red, they want it lighter with red, or they want to be blonde. The biggest thing we do, except correcting color, the biggest thing we do in a salon is transition a brunette to a blonde. That is the most critical, that requires the most skill, the most patience, and the most critical professional eye. So don't forget that. Being a blonde, you can do it. But if you're a brunette, or you dyed your hair brown, or burgundy, or black, or a carnival shade, and now you want to be blonde, everybody thinks they can snap their fingers, and they can't. I harken back to, I think, the 1990s, when there was a very, very famous woman named Linda Evangelista. First of all, she was so exquisitely beautiful, with the most beautiful face shape, the most beautiful skin, the most beautiful eyes. She didn't correct anything with color. She enjoyed it. She was a beauty. She probably still is. She doesn't model anymore, I don't think. But they showed her in one picture as a brunette, and the next as a redhead, and the next as like a toffee shade, and the next as a blonde. Don't you realize that some of this was photoshopped, or a wig, or hair pieces? It is not true that 1 week you could be a blonde and the next a brunette and the next a redhead, unless you wear a wig. So the more frequently you keep changing hair color, the more goofed up your hair is going to be.